Now let us learn what is the difference between strong acids and weak acid. What is the difference between strong acids and weak acids? So strong acids they are acids which are completely ionized in water or completely ionized in solution. So strong acids are completely ionized in solution. That is the first point. So they are completely ionized in solution and form a large amount of hydrogen ions, H plus aqueous. So first point is they are completely ionized in solution and they form a large amount of hydrogen ions in solutions. We know that all acids produces hydrogen ions in solution, but in the case of strong acids they produce large amount of H plus ions in solution. So for example, hydrochloric acid in aqueous solution produces H plus aqueous and Cl minus aqueous. So this is the ionization of hydrochloric acid. When hydrochloric acid dissolves in water, it ionizes to produce hydrogen ions and chloride ions. Here it produces a large amount of hydrogen ions in solution. So we can say that this is a strong acid, and this is represented by, and this arrow will be a single headed arrow. So this is a representation of ionization of HCl. But in the case of weak acids, we can say that they are partially ionized in solution. They are partially ionized in solution. They are partially ionized in solution. Then the second point is they produce a small amount of H plus ions in solution. They produce small amount of H plus aqueous. So in the case of weak acids, they also produce H plus ions in solution, but they are partially ionized in solution and produce a small amount of H plus ions in solution. We can write one example. This is CH3COOH. This is an organic acid. It is called acetic acid. The acid present in vinegar, that is acetic acid. This acetic acid ionizes to produce CH3COO minus and H plus. So H plus aqueous is there, CH3COO minus is there, and this is also aqueous. So this is called acetate ion. This is acetate ion, this is hydrogen ion. So here we have to notice that there is a double headed arrow. So this arrow represents there is partially ionized. So partial ionization is represented by this type of arrow. So in this case, this is, since it is a weak acid, it partially ionizes in solution and produces a small amount of H plus ions in solution. So that is why acetic acid is a weak acid. And also we have to notice that these strong acids are very fast in the reaction with reactions with other substances, or they show fast reaction. But in the case of weak acids, they are slow. They are slow in the reactions. Slow in the reactions with other substances. So we can expect a fast reaction in the case of strong acids, and we can expect a slow reaction in the case of weak acids. So these are the difference between strong acids and weak acids.